So she'll be okay. Good morning. I am in a hurry, so I'm going to do this quickly.
my 360. And I'm going to be heading out the door.
Have a great day. I'll see you after my retightening. But let you see the roots. All this is new growth. And as I did that, I found another braid. And that one I will take out in the car. Oh man. Yeah. I have work to do as I drive. I'll see you later. I'm at the light and it's red. It's green. It's been a long time since I've been out driving this early in the morning with school bus traffic. Okay guys, I am here. I was driving in at 8:26. I've already texted Kim to let her know that I am here, but I have not gotten the okay text to come in yet. Yes. So I am going to continue to separate my hair, and I want to take special care to try to separate it down in the back where it usually is the most matted, if it's going to be matted. And I've noticed that with my own clients. So that's where I take the time to separate more. And I feel that down at the roots. And so I'll be doing this until I am given the okay to come on in. Guys, it is 11:02. Not that it took that long to do my hair. She was finished maybe around 10:45, but we were in there chatting a bit. And this is my hair after my retightening. It looks so good, feels so good, and I really, really love it. I really love it. Kim is all that and a bag of chips. I'll tell you more later. I have to go home. Good afternoon. I am back from my retightening, and I did a quick takeout of my hair before I left, but I wanted you to see why I insist on doing a braid out before my hair is retightened. It is my favorite time. It's just one of my favorite times, my favorite looks. Oh my goodness. Yes. Do you see that? Do you see that? It looks so good, and I am so pleased. My favorite things about my retightening is my conversation with Kim. The fact that she is going to take her time and do a wonderful job. My retightening is never, ever too tight. And I know it's going to look good. And that I must appreciate, the way it's going to look. Now, you know that I'm considering cutting my hair. Well, today, as I look at my hair, it's just not something I want to think about right now. I just don't want to think about it. But I am going to show you what my roots look like. Now, I showed you before, and you can now see the parts. There it is. And my hair has been growing like weed. That's what I want to say. It's been growing like weed. And that's the look of it throughout, but I'll continue. How can I not love it? How can I not love it? So I'm not going to talk about doing this today because my hair looks so good. And I am so pleased with the way it looks. I want you to know too that that lock that was in the front that I showed you, where I had to reinforce it in order for it to stay in, that it is still there, doing well. It hung in there throughout the duration, and now it's been retightened, and I am not worried about it at all. But I do want you to know that I have a lock over here. Now, if you look at this one, it is shorter because I did not notice this until a couple weeks ago that it had broken off. I don't know where that piece went. I just noticed that this one was shorter, but I'm okay. I will certainly spend more time evaluating my locks to make sure that they're strong, and that when I don't know what to do about it, I'll share that information with Kim and get an idea of what I should do. I do have my own ideas, but I still like to consult with her because she has more experience in this area than I do. But I just wanted to come back and let you see the results of my retightening. Yeah. Took a little over 2.5 hours. I think maybe this time 2 hours and about 45 minutes. And we were done. That woman is fast. She is thorough, and I love what she does. I just really like spending my time with her anyway. We have a good time together. And you know what that is. That's my 360. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's just been better to me than I could be to myself. He keeps me. He protects me. He takes care of me. And for that, I am grateful. I am grateful. Have a great day. Good.